Hello guys, thank you for watching one more video with me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to arrive in New York City at JFK Airport. First of all, you're going to take the AirTrain signs. So I've recorded the previous bit a bit too fast because it was full of police there and I didn't know if I had to vacate the departures area. But in principle, you should take the AirTrain when you arrive here at JFK. But it turns out that the AirTrain is now closed. So you need to take a shuttle bus and then go to another terminal where there you're going to take the AirTrain. So let's see if I manage. In any case, when you arrive there, there's going to be this poster here with a QR code. Make sure you connect to the airport's Wi-Fi. Then all the information is going to be there in several languages.
Each one-way method out to Howard Beach or Jamaica Station costs $8.25.
So eventually I made it here to what is called the Howard Beach station, where this AirTrain ends up. And then here you either connect to the subway or you take a train to Port Authority, which is where you're going to take the bus. You need to go and get yourself a ticket, which is called a Metro card, MTA card, that costs $1. So the story with buying tickets is a little bit more complicated. You're going to come here to these machines, then you're going to pay $1 for the tickets, $2.75 for the Metro, for the subway, and then $8.25 for the train. That's going to be $11 in total. Once you got your Metro ticket sorted, you're going to come downstairs to this platform and you're going to take the train to Dickman Street. This is the train that's going to take you to the 42nd Street where Port Authority bus terminal is located. Supposed to be a how do you go from New York to Niagara Falls video, but I've actually spent the day here and it's now 5 a.m. and I'm taking the train to Port Authority bus terminal where I'm going to catch my bus to Niagara Falls. So here at Port Authority is a bit complicated. You come in through that corridor there, goes into 8th Avenue. Then you come into this plaza here, and then you check the time and the gate for your bus right there where there is this closed Greyhound office here. So very easy to make a mistake. Come all the way to this plaza and then Greyhound office. So I really don't recommend traveling long hours on Greyhound because the buses are these ones you are used to. Even if Flixbus bought Greyhound, the buses are still the same. It's very tight spaces and long hours, and if you don't stretch your legs you may get pretty bad cramps. And the landscape is also not very interesting. There's only trees and trees and trees on the highway. So I would really recommend that you get yourself a plane and go by plane to Niagara. Depending on how you bought your ticket, you might need to make a connection here at Buffalo. Buffalo is the last big city in the state of New York before you actually enter Canada, and you get to Niagara Falls, which comes before that, right at the border. So this is Flixbus, and you change buses here. So this is a short hop. It's gonna take me 30 minutes to Niagara Falls, and then there I'm going to arrive pretty close to the actual falls. I'm finally here at the town of Niagara Falls, New York, the one which is in the American side. And as you see, the bus arrives in a pretty centric location. From here you can walk to many places, including the falls. And now I'm going to my hostel, and then I'm going to have a look later at the falls. The weather is amazing, so it's going to be a nice day. Just finishing this video, I'm here on the Canadian side of the falls in the city of Niagara Falls, Ontario. So in case you're planning to cross to this side, it's a very simple crossing. You just go through the bridge with your passport, a couple of questions, and you're here. The city here is much more developed. It has luxury hotels, casinos, and everything. So I'm actually now just waiting for the Flixbus to Toronto. And they stop at this location here, not that Marriott there, but this Marriott here, and close to the WeGo. WeGo is the local transportation, public transportation company here. So I'm actually finishing here. Big thanks to you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. If you like this material, you can also look at the other English language videos on how to get to interesting places. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.